So ayun guys, welcome to my channel. Magwi-withdraw tayo ngayon guys dito sa ating laro guys. Wait lang natin siya mag-open guys. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung mawi-withdraw natin. Ayan guys. Kung nakikita nyo guys, kung napanood nyo yung video ko nung next kong upload, nung huling upload ko guys, ito. Na-convert na yung natin guys, yung gold coins guys. Yan na siya, 100 pesos guys. Yan, magla-live withdrawal tayo ngayon guys. Yan. Punta tayo sa wallet guys. Yan, may ads na lalabas yan guys. Yan, wait lang natin siya guys. Wait lang natin guys. Short ads lang naman yan guys, mga 30 seconds lang yan. 30 seconds to 15 seconds ng ads lang dito guys. Guys, yun na. Next lang natin siya. And withdraw. Ayan guys, amount 100. Ayan guys, withdraw na natin siya guys. Ayan guys, pumasok na siya. Ayan, withdrawal success guys. Nakikita nyo, ayan. Ayan, pending na siya guys.